Now, I just want to go through some more benefits of selling products through AliExpress. Okay, one benefit is that there's no upfront fee. Okay, you could get started immediately. You don't even need to have a registered business. You could just start selling right away. You don't even need to contact the sellers on here. Although I do recommend you do contact the sellers first, just to make sure that that they are a legit person, and also just to develop a relationship with the seller. Okay, you also want to buy products or samples from them just so you can get an idea of what the quality is and how long it takes for items to be delivered. Okay, now another benefit of buying from AliExpress and selling their products is that it's just very easy to use. All you do is you just type in the customer information and they'll ship it for you. It's very easy to use. Okay, another benefit is they keep up to date with the latest trends. The suppliers, they follow the trends. So if you're the type of person that wants to capitalize on trends, this is a great place to go. So for example, when the US elections were on, you could have found products related to, or you could have found T-shirts, for example, related to the election, such as Donald Trump versus Hillary Clinton. Okay. Another benefit on here is, in my opinion, you're going to find the lowest prices on here. I can't find anywhere else online any suppliers or websites where you can find products at such a low price. Okay, in the previous video, I showed you essential oils for $1, $1 or $2, and you could see them retailing here in stores in North America for $10, $20, and even more than $50. Okay, so yeah, there's a lot of potential there for markup and profit margins for you. Okay, and lastly, a great benefit of this site is that there are a lot of reliable sellers. At the moment, there are over 200,000 sellers on the AliExpress site, and you could check out all the ratings and feedback. And a lot of these guys are very reliable sellers.